Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my yam and catfish pepper soup like I promised you guys earlier, and if you're interested in this recipe, keep watching. So the first thing you want to get is your catfish. This one has already been properly washed with hot water. Then the next thing you want to get is your yam. I already diced this, into cube sizes, and they have been properly washed as well. The next thing you would need is some grounded crayfish, some diced onions, some scent leaves, some seasoning cubes, and of course pepper soup spice. I got this one at ShopRite. It's really good. You'd also need some pepper. This is grounded pepper for extra, hotness. I also have some habanero pepper that has already been grounded, finely. It's also called atarodo. Of course, we'll need some salt. What I've just done now is put my fish in the pot, and then the next thing you're going to add your onions. Next thing you want to add is your crayfish. Next, you're going to add your seasoning cubes. Next, you want to add your pepper soup spice. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of pepper soup spice and half, because I really want it to taste like pepper soup. Next, you want to add some salt. Next, my pepper is going to go in. What I've just done now is add some water that would, be at the same level with the fish, so it's not too much and it's not too small. And just add the yams. Almost immediately I've added the water. This is just to help the yam cook properly. You want to give this a little stir. I'm also going to be adding half a teaspoon of pepper just because I want it really spicy. Next, I'm just going to cover this and let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes on high heat. It's been 30 minutes, guys, and this is what we have. My yam is properly cooked and my fish is ready. If you're getting it right, by this time your kitchen should smell like heaven. So I'm just going to add my scent leaves. Going to let this simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and we are ready to have our lunch, because I'm going to be having this for lunch with my friend.